The big one, marami ang nababahala at natatakot ngayon dahil daw sa ito ang pinakamalakas na lindol na pwedeng tumama sa ating bansa. Mas matakot tayo sa Diyos so that He will grant us mercy or awa mga kasamaras or habag. Psalm 103 verse 11, for as the heavens are high above the earth, so great is God's mercy toward those who fear Him. So, wag tayo matakot, no? Bagkus ay manalig, manalangin at magtiwala sa ating Panginoon. At maniwala rin tayo na si Lord Jesus Christ ay mas makapangyarihan sa anumang sakuna sa ating bansa at sa buong mundo. Colossians 1:15 to 18 mga kasambreros, He, Jesus Christ, is the image of the invisible God, the firstborn over all creation, for by Him, Jesus Christ, all things were created that are in heaven and that are on earth, visible and invisible, whether thrones or dominions or principalities or powers. Grabe, no? All things were created through Him and for Him, and He is before all things, and in Him all things consist. Manalig tayo at magkaroon ng pananampalataya sa ating Panginoong Hesus. Mula rito sa luntiang gubat ng Davao del Norte, yan ang kaalaman at katotohanan dapat na alam mo.